So we're currently in the bridging stage here of this print, which is how the printer goes across a gap. So I want you to watch the extruder head and the little gaps in the middle there of the piece it's working on at the moment. See that line that's going across right there? Basically the plastic of the RepRap allows you to go over a gap, and as you can see there, it's doing the hole, just finishing up that circular hole quite nicely. And that's called a bridge. It's where the plastic goes over and has no support underneath it, as you probably worked out. This is one of the most amazing things of the RepRap. When I first got the printer, I didn't think that it could bridge as much as it can, but it turns out that 45 degrees is trivial for it, and there's guys who actually have bridged over several tens of millimeters. The best I've seen on my current setup, which is just a standard setup, which is just for printing kind of anything I download, is about 50 to 70 mil. I can bridge 50 to 70 mil, which is about 2 inches. It gets a bit raggedy and average, but nevertheless it does bridge that gap. As you can see here, it's bridging this small gap, which is maybe 8 mil, without a problem at all. So I'll just bring you down to what the hole looks like. As you can see there, that's the hole there. It's reasonably circular, and the other one is reasonably circular. Now if you really wanted a perfectly circular joint, of course you'd put a drill bit down that, file it out, etc. But gee, it's doing a good job there of doing those circular holes really without a problem. All I said was, hey, this STL file, just print that, thanks. And the slicing program I was using, which in this case was SkyneForge, just worked it out, and the printer's just doing it. Out of interest, just before I conclude, we're printing some feet for a printer, so I'm going through the process of printing another lot of another printer. So these parts here relate to this part here, that part there, which is the foot, so, and that foot there, and also this this part here and this part here. Can't see that with the finger, that part there. So that gives you the basic frame of the RepRap. Excellent!